If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Find Duplicates query type in Access lets you find duplicate records within a table. To create a Find Duplicates query, click the Query Wizard button that appears in the Queries button group on the Create tab of the ribbon. In the new query dialog box that appears, select the Find Duplicates Query Wizard choice, and then click the OK button. The first screen of the Find Duplicates Query Wizard lets you select the table within which to find duplicate records. Make your selection, and then click the Next button to continue. In the second screen, select by which fields to examine the records to look for duplicate values. You click the fields within which to look for duplicate values in the available fields list, and then click the right pointing arrow button to move them into the duplicate value fields list. You cannot have more than 10 fields in the duplicate value fields list. After adding the necessary fields, then click the Next button to continue. In the third screen, select any additional fields to display in addition to the ones within which to search for duplicate values. Click the names of the additional fields to view in the Available Fields list, and click the right pointing arrow button to move them into the Additional Query Fields list. Then click the Next button to continue to the last screen. In the last screen, type a name for the query into the Query Name field, and then click the Finish button to view the duplicates in a query result set. Note that this is not the recommended process for removing duplicate records from a table. This query simply tells you which records contain duplicate values in the selected fields in the selected table. While you can delete the displayed records in the Find Duplicates query result set, you can also remove duplicate records using the function of the primary key in a table, which we will examine in the next lesson. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.